Si Dr. Rosario Vergeire, kasalukuyang pangalawang kalihim para sa Public Health Services ng DOH, ay itinalaga ng ating Pangulo bilang OIC ng Departamento.
The Marcos administration has finally named who will lead the health department, well, at least for now. It's no other than Health Undersecretary Maria Rosario Vergeire, who also served as the agency's spokesperson during the COVID-19 pandemic. Under Memorandum Circular No. 1, the OIC shall perform her duties until July 31 or until a replacement has been appointed or designated. But some ask, why was she not appointed as DOH chief?
Dun sa bakit, dahil syempre pinagpipilian pa kung sino ang magiging mamumuno sa Department of Health. Wala po kaming impormasyon dun sa ilan ang pinagpipilian.
The DOH, for its part, thanked President Marcos Jr. for the designation. The department vowed to carry on the gains of previous administration, including continuing pandemic response and providing universal health care to Filipinos. For former Health Chief Francisco Duque III, selecting Vergeire as OIC is a good choice. He said Vergeire has integrity and competence and is a true public servant. Former Health Chief and now Iloilo Congresswoman Janet Garin said she's confident in Vergeire's capability as the agency's officer in charge. Garin said she has worked with Vergeire before and witnessed how the new OIC rose up the ranks. The Private Hospital Association of the Philippines also welcomed Vergeire's designation.
Alam naman ni USEC ang problems ng mga hospitals, especially government and private hospitals din. Ano? So sa amin okay lang yun.
The same goes for Octa Research Professor Ranjit Rai. Rai said Vergeire's appointment ensures that there's continuity in the agency. And despite her not being a fan of Octa, Rai said Vergeire must be shortlisted to be the next health secretary. Infectious disease expert Dr. Ronchin Sulante hopes Vergeire could provide direction to the government's pandemic response and streamline processes at the DOH.
We should know what her priorities are and then what are the plans for an exit of this pandemic. Probably also institute reforms in the Department of Health. We have to streamline the decision process in terms of recommendations and policies para mabilis, para hindi ma-delay.
He's also confident that Vergeire can be the next health chief. While the chief executive has yet to name the health secretary, the palace says the interagency task force will continue its job to spearhead the government's pandemic response. For News 5, JC Cosico, We Are One News.